Assalamu alaikum. Propofol available form. It is available in 200 mg / 20 ml ampule. Dose of Propofol per adult 1.5 to 2.5 mg per kg body weight. For old age patients 1.25 mg per kg body weight. For children 3 mg per kg body weight. Dose calculations of Propofol for adults. If patient weight is 70 kg, then how much Propofol we will give? We know that Propofol dose is 1.5 to 2.5 mg per kg body weight. If we want to give maximum dose, then 70 multiply 2.5 is equal to 175. 175 mg drug is available in 17.5 ml. It means we can give 17.5 ml Propofol to 70 kg patient. Dose calculations for old age patients. We know that the dose for old age is 1.25 mg per kg body weight. If patient weight is 80 kg, then we will give 80 multiply 1.25 is equal to 100 mg. It means we can give 10 ml Propofol to 80 kg old age patient. For children dose is 3 mg per kg body weight. If we have a 20 kg child, then how much Propofol we will give? 20 multiply 3 is equal to 60. It means we can give 6 ml Propofol.